3 p.m. Wednesday, September 30th, and we're in Central Standard Time. All parties have been notified via my Google group, and we're about to break a 2-box 2020 Leaf Valiant football. And let's get started. With our random number generator, we're going to randomize from 3 times to 6 times. And let's do it. Randomizing the entrance this amount of times. Whoopsie. Alright, 3 times to 6 times, and we're doing it. Generate 4 times. So we're going to randomize our entrance, which is, we got Rod on top and Trent on the bottom. So that is our list. Hopefully that is right. Rod, do you have that many spots? Rod. Yes, you do. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. So that list is correct. We got 16 items in the list, and we're going to randomize it. How many times did I say? 4 times. All right, here we go. Once. Randomize again twice, randomize again 3 times, and this is going to be the 4th and final time, and that is it. So we got Louse, my friend, on top. Oh, am I going to be able to copy this? Oh, please copy, because if not, we are in trouble. Copy. Alright, let's get it in our spreadsheet and pray that it works. Alright. Paste. Oh, yes! It works. Excelente. Oh, man, that would have been not good. All right. There is our entrance randomized. Now let's get back to the randomizer. Alright, this time we're going to randomize the teams from 3 to 6 times. Here we go. 5 times randomizing the teams. Teams are in the, well, going to be in the randomizer. I guess I didn't put them in. Thought I did. Oh, I put them in the other one. Oh, where are they? Wheels roll, and the heels, and going to all of the shows, but do you love me? Come on. Alright, paste. Okay, there we go. We got our teams. 49ers down to the Vikings, and we're going to randomize those 5 times. Here we go. First time. Second time. Third time. 4th time. 5th and final time, guys. Good luck all. Here we go. That is it. We have the Bills on top and the Colts on the bottom. Copy. Now let's get our spreadsheet back up. But you love me. And get our teams in here. go. That is the break, guys. Alright, now, anyone want to make trades? Go Seahawks. Where'd everybody go? We're missing people. Alright, no trade. Anyone want to make a trade? Trades are available. No. Playboy is not here. I haven't seen him in a couple days. Maybe longer than that. I'm just wondering where the people were that were just here, though. Steve Stang's not here? Oh, well. Alright, what do we got? Just Marine 1, Trent, and Rod. Trent and Rod, that's it. If anybody you guys want to trade, Trent has the Cardinals, the Saints, the Bears, the Vikings, the Packers, and the Rams. Rod has... Who does Rod have? Broncos, Titans, Redskins, Bengals. What? Texans, 49ers. Who's got the Dolphins? Vince Pasalacqua. There he is. Vince, any of you guys want to make a trade? You got the... Oh, Vince must be on a phone or a tablet or something. He's getting booted. I guess we don't need this. We do need our background. What did I do with my background? There it is. Someday I'll invest in a real backdrop. Till then, this works. Alright, no trades? Well, let's get her going. I've been waiting for this break for a long time. I am way excited about this break. We're gonna have some amazing hits come out of this. That's a glove laying there, guys. In case you were wondering. What did he just drop? Can't I get my gloves on? Trent and Rod. Two of my favorite customers. Hey Rod, did you get that shirt I sent you? I'm sure you did. I hope so by now. If I didn't, I just spoiled the surprise. You're welcome, Rod. Thank you, man. Alright, guys, no one's trading, so here we go. Alright, boxes are sealed on all sides. Front, back, front, back. Alright, now let's rip them. Oh, 16 autos, 2 graded 9.5s or better. We're gonna have some fun here. Alright. Woohoo. Oh, this is sealed. Duh. Ooh, Lions would have got him the Redskins? That's a sweet trade. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Here we go. And our graded. Wow. These are already top loaded. I didn't even realize that. I like these boxes, so these are awesome. Oh, empty box. Alright, remember we got 8 cards in here, so here we go. We're going to start with card number 1. Are you ready? It's already a hot box. Congratulations, redemption card. Alright, so what do you got to do? It is a 2020 Leaf Valiant CeeDee Lamb base auto XRC card. 2020 Leaf Valiant football CeeDee Lamb base auto XRC card. So CeeDee Lamb, are we going to go through this? They don't tell us who they play for again. Okay, well, let me pull up the stupid website here so we can get our draft. Sorry, guys. I thought that they were putting the teams on here. At least the first name of the team. They got a license. Oh, no, they don't. Panini has college license. Draft 2020 NFL 2020 NFL draft picks. All right. Sporting news. Not gonna work for us. No. Alright, we'll just do this. CeeDee Lamb. CeeDee Lamb is where'd you go? Dallas Cowboys. All right, so we got our first card going to the Cowboys. Very nice. Congrats, Cowboys. Steve Stang. Way to go, Steve Stang. All right, next card is numbered to 75. Nice start. Bryce Perkins. Oops. 45 is 75. Bryce Perkins. Leaf Valiant. Nice looking card. Numbered to 75. And Bryce Perkins is Los Angeles Rams, guys. LA Ram hit Bryce Perkins to 75 for the Rams. That is Trent. Bryce Perkins to 75, brother. Next up, numbered to 75, Courtney Davis. 22 of 75. Nice. Well, let's see where he plays. Courtney Davis. Courtney Davis plays for the was currently a free agent. Minnesota Vikings was his first team, though. So Vikings will get Courtney Davis. Vikings are... Where are the Vikings? Redskins, Lions, Chiefs, Bears, Packers, Ravens. Oh, there they are. Trent again. Trent's hitting. Very nice, Trent. All right, here we go again. 28 of 50 this time. A.J. Dillon. Ooh. Look at that. Nice. A.J. Dillon plays for A.J. Dillon is Green Bay Packers. Packers was Trent again. Trent, you're on a roll here. Trent is killing it right now. All right, next up, what is this one? Number 4 of 75, Kenneth Murray. Very nice. Keep them coming, baby. Kenneth Murray. I'll have all these in order when I go to sort them. Los Angeles Chargers. LA Chargers. Who's got the Chargers? Steve Stang with another hit. Congrats, Steve Stang. Kenneth Murray. Next up, here we go. Now we're hitting T. Higgins to 50. Oh, man, I knew we were going to love this product. T. Higgins to 50. And T. Higgins is Cincinnati, I'm pretty sure. He is a Bengal. There's a Rod hit. Rod, you do have the Bengals. Yes, you do. There we go. To 50. Nice hit, Rod. All right, card numbered to 50 here. Next one. This is Austin Mack to 50. Nice auto. Rising Stock. Cool looking card. Got the little graph working there. Alright, Austin Mack, where are you playing at? Austin Mack is New York Football Giants. New York Football Giants is Justin Playboy. Playboy. Justin gets Austin. All Okay, and here we go. Here comes the BGS graded. Oh my gosh. Jonathan Taylor. Graded 9.5 Gem Mint to 75. The auto's a 10. Look at that. Hello, Jonathan Taylor. Green to 75. All right. Wow. That was a good first box, huh? Jonathan Taylor plays for Indianapolis Colts. Who's got the Colts? Laos. All right. Sharing the wealth. Laos, congratulations, sir. Yeah, look at that card for you, Laos. Sweetness. All right, that is box one. That was nice. Box one was a whole lot of fun. Now, let's see box two, see if we can top box one. Okay. Cards ready here. Empty box for me. All right, look, we're starting out good here. How about Henry Ruggs to 25? Ruggs looking good. I think he's hurt, but he is definitely a special guy. There he is, Henry Ruggs the third to 25. Sweet. Ah, I love these. Man, these are great products. So let's see, where's Ruggs playing at? Ruggs is the Raiders. Thank you, Trent. Yeah, I'm just looking them up so I have it when I go to sort. Well, there it is. Raiders. Las Vegas, baby. Raiders, Raiders, Raiders. Vince Pasalacqua. Everybody hitting. Packer fan. 25, baby. All right. Oh, we got Here Comes the Boom. These are like collector favorites. Numbered to 50. Check that out. Anthony Jennings. Here Comes the Boom. So, Jennings. Oh, man. I'm loving these boxes. Whoops. Anthony Jennings. Linebacker. Gonna bring the boom. New England Patriots. Patriot hit. Patriots, Patriots, Patriots. Vince again. Pasalacqua. I don't know where he went. He must be working or something. Congrats again, Vince. All right, Devin Duvernay rising stock to 50. And there we go. Raven, huh? All right, Ravens. Laos, my friend. Laos, congrats on that. Duvernay. I love Google because it knows exactly what I'm doing. All I gotta type in is 3 letters and he pops up. Buffalo, no, it says Buffalo Bills. Devin, oh, that's Singletary. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I thought that Google was doing me right. Duvernay. Oh my gosh, doesn't say where he plays according to this. How could it not say? Devin Duvernay. Come on now. Oh, okay, it does say he's a Raven. So we're set. Not to doubt Rod, but just wanted to make sure. All right, next up we got a numbered to 15, AJ Terrell. AJ Terrell. Ooh, nice pink. Love pink. Pink and turquoise, my favorite colors. So, AJ Terrell. Cornerback for the Atlanta Falcons. Falcons, who's got the Falcons? Steve Stang. Steve Stang hitting with the Falcons. All right, next up. How about Clavon Chason? Numbered to 75. That ought to be an easy one for Google. How many Clavons are... Jacksonville Jaguars. Jaguars. Is Ghost Pack. Alright, Ghost Pack. Congrats. Glad you didn't get shut out. All right, next, as we keep going, how about Joe Reed, 50 of 50. And Joe Reed. Is Los Angeles Chargers. LA Chargers go to Steve Stang again. Steve Stang. Guys are having some nice breaks here. Glad everyone's getting a little bit. All right, James Robinson is up next. 28 of 50. Oh, you put his jersey number on it. That's a nice touch. James Robinson. Oh man, next card, I don't know, but it's nice. We'll see. I just saw the grade. James Robinson plays for Jaguars. You guys know your stuff. So, Jaguars. I think that's the second Jaguars, huh? Ghost Pack getting in on the late hits. Coming from behind. Alright, and our last card is going to be a 9.5 10.0 auto 11/75 Derek Brown. That's a Beckett 10.0 auto 9.5 Gem Mint 10 PSA Derek Brown. And Mr. Brown plays for last card was Carolina Panthers. So the Panthers get, who is that? Louse, my friend. Louse with another hit. All right, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I've been waiting for that for a while. I love this product. I love this, and I love Perfect Game in baseball. Those are two of my top products. Alright guys, that concludes the break. Thank you everyone for participating. I appreciate your business greatly, and I will see you next break.